Hello guys, we are back with Forex trading videos. In this video you will get a lot of knowledge about trading. If you want to know more about Forex strategy, so you can watch my old video in which full Forex strategy has been explained. All my strategies are absolutely free, you don't have to pay anyone for this. Today we are going to trade in New Zealand dollar versus US dollar, where you will get to see price action trade. First identify the trend, for which we'll take the trend line and place it on the lower high made in the downtrend. Move the trend line as far back as you can. This will give us the correct analysis. This trend line is the most important. We will have further analysis on the trend line. Now take one more trend line, then that will connect with same angle at lower low point. By this we will get market support point where the reverse can happen. If your analysis is correct, then your trade is more likely to turn profit. If the market goes against you, look at the analysis from another angle from which your second trade can go into profit. Market is in downtrend since last 20 days. Here we can get good opportunity on the downside, where we can get good return if the market goes according to our analysis. Then, let us now create the supply-demand area. For this we will use the rectangle tool. Market is taking reversal at this level since last few days. Currently also, the market is going down from this level. By reversing, we'll cover as many reversal points as we can, due to which the market will come to this level in future, so we can get good opportunity again. Market always repeats its history. High percentage chance market will go down from here, because the market has taken resistance on the trend line as well as the support resistance level, and now going down. Selling opportunity is getting good here. It is a high probability trade. I have made $3,200 deposit in this account, which will grow with proper risk management. I am increasing the lot size. Here I follow the rules made by me. 0.12 lot is taken in this place. I have already calculated my risk. You can also use position size calculator. If you search on the Google, then you will get it easily. By this you can know your loss, how much loss you can take. It's totally free. Our entry is at the right time when the market was near the trend line. Here our loss will be less, where you can make more profit with less risk. My stop loss will be above trend line and support resistance area, which is up 40 pips. And my target point is 100 pips below, where the market will make a new lower low. The market trend is downtrend. We have also taken a trade in the same direction, where the chances of profit are high. My loss is around $50. Let's see in how much time we can achieve our profit. Quickly place stop loss and target. Okay guys, till here our work is complete. The work of the market starts ahead. Let's see what reward we get. Our entry is correct. Our analysis is also correct. The market will go according to our analysis, because the trend of the market is downtrend for a long time. This time also the market has every chance of making a new lower low. We have used the risk to reward ratio here, with sometimes use. There are more chances to be profitable here. Let's see you after a few hours. After a long wait, finally our target point is about to hit. It's been 42 hours and 25 minutes since we took the trade, which is about 2 days. We had to be very patient to achieve the target. See you after a few minutes till the target is hit. Okay guys, we followed our rules. You should also not close the trade before the stop loss and target point, until an emergency arrives. After taking the trade, you can close your trade on one condition: when big news is about to come, it will have an effect on the trade. The market has respect to our setup, just like we did the analysis. We took a trade where the market was taking resistance. Our entry is from exact time. The market went straight down from where our target point was. This is a big achievement for us. I am closing my trade. My target has been achieved. My profit is running $3,694. We don't have to be greedy anymore. We always have to follow our rules.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball like Harry Potter playing Quidditch, and my business till you.
We have grown our account by 110% with proper risk management. before taking the trade was $3,200, which became $7,018. You too can become profitable trader by using this strategy. It's a very simple strategy where you will find high probability trades. Always practice on your system, practice till you become the master of it. Hope to learn something from this live trading video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.
Welcome to unrealization. We can prepare to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I